We're going to take a look at quantum computing here on the weekly chart. We're trading at 1218 currently. We are down on the day. We had a big pullback there towards the end in the overall markets, especially here in quantum. Going forward in here on the week, we're going to be looking at this 50-day SMA right here. You can see that was a place that basically we bounced right off of today as a major resistance. That's trading at 1311. Anything above there, we're looking at this 1397 or 1398 area. And then outside of there, really nothing stopping us until you get up here to the 1729. Now, to the downside in here, we're going to be looking right here at this 1067, and then below there, we're going to be looking at 950. But really, just kind of watch the nice whole numbers and go in about 50-cent increments up or down, and basically follow your options chain, right? And that's more or less where things are kind of shaking out as we go throughout the day, right? So you had a little hiccup there at the 12s, a little 1250 as well. The 13s, just we're overshooting all of them by a little bit. It's not going to be exact, but still more or less you kind of track things like that. But overall on the weekly, those are the major levels we're looking at. And then those intraday, right? We're looking at those 50-cent increments. As far as our RSI, it is now trading at 46 currently. So really neutral in here. Still got a ways to go to be completely overbought or oversold to the upside. So that is good, or upside or downside, that is. And so that's good for us going forward, because that's really not going to put a whole lot of pressure on us as far as being very directional in here. We can kind of play this thing and let it kind of do its own thing throughout the day with those highs and lows and those peaks and valleys. Everybody's pricing in right around a 45-cent expected move priced in by tomorrow. Following Friday, $1. The following Friday after that, about $1.50. So low IV relative to what we just kind of expanded to in here overall towards the end of the day with that down move. So let's see if we can get a pretty decent sized move in here tomorrow relative to what the options chain is saying. And let's watch that 1311 area, that 50-day SMA. Above there, we're going to be looking at 14. And then we're really going to keep an eye right on basically that 9-day EMA. We're up against it right now, more or less, just sitting on it at 1211. So that is going to be a key level for us in here as well. So a couple of levels that we're going to keep an eye on tomorrow as we're looking for that overall expansion in our IV or contraction tomorrow's and in tomorrow's expiration. But all in all, decent move in here on the week for quantum computing, although we did have that little pullback in here today. So let's see how we're going to end the trading week tomorrow and close out this candle. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.